Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to transform this pair of shoes with a permanent marker and some acrylic paint. Let's go ahead and get started. We have a pair of shoes. They're blue and orange. I need them to be black and orange. So I'm going to take this permanent marker and I'm going to color all of the blue parts black. Honestly, guys, that's truly what I did. It's that simple. After I did that, this is what the shoe's looking like. It's looking fantastic so far. Now I need the orange to be a little bit brighter. So I'm going to go ahead and take this pumpkin orange acrylic paint and paint all of the orange parts a brighter orange. Once I've done that, I let everything dry completely, and then I'm going to go ahead and seal everything into place. This is a very important step. Please make sure you don't skip it. I've worn these shoes several times, and they are holding up fantastically. So to do the sealing, I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and this is an outdoor Mod Podge. This is what I use on all of my shoes. I highly suggest you use the outdoor Mod Podge if you're working with shoes. And I did about 3 coats of the outdoor Mod Podge, and this is what they look like when they're done, guys. I think they turned out so super cute. These are the exact colors that I needed to match the outfit to support my son's T-ball team. I hope you found some inspiration from this DIY. Until next time, bye!